Ghana.
Africa is a reality. Life has departed the flesh of the great Dibia. I was stricken off on the news of your death. But the question to ask is why?
Africa, if I had the goals, if I have the courage to ask the gods question, I shall ask them, why?
God.
Why? Africa. Oh. Hey.
The great Dibia of our land. Farewell. Stop! Stop! You don't have the right to do that!
You cannot light up these materials if the tusk is not there.
What arrogance! Imagine the impudence. Dikeh, how dare you introduce discord in such a solemn ceremony of our great Dibia, you dog of dirty porridge.
I am not speaking any vanity. I'm just recalling that this task must be there before we perform the ceremony. We all know it. It's age-long tradition.
Dikeh, how dare you? Yes. How dare you speak vanity, you son of impunity? How dare you?
So if you have to challenge me, challenge me. Where is the tusk? The task is somewhere, so let's all be patient.
What nonsense is
that?
And
here comes the task of the people. The task. Can we all see that?
Down!
Here comes the personality who has the task.
My uncle is right. I was chosen by the gods.
Not the gods of Amokwe. They know their own and cannot favor someone from a dirty background. History can never be forgotten. An outcast, you and your nephew, remained. Osu Bosu.
He must be a madman.
My prince. Oh, leave it. My prince. No. My prince. My prince.
Igwe!
Odinaka, are you okay?
Uju, I've lost faith in the gods.
Tufiakwa, how can you say that? Now this is blasphemy.
What good do you want me to say about the gods when the unthinkable is happening in this land?
Odinaka, you cannot predict the minds of men. How much more the minds of the gods? For goodness sake, they are not sleeping. I know someday they will intervene.
When? When? In our old age? Or when we are all crushed to death by a living monster? Uju, I cannot even hear them sleeping. I cannot even hear them snoring.
Odinaka, Odinaka, how many times did I call you? How many times did I call you?
The right question is, how could the gods choose a tyrant to succeed the throne of a generous king?
Odinaka, do not be faster than your shadows. Besides, a leader who is not accepted by his people is definitely not king. And Caesar is only accepted by the most people, not the community. The way I'm saying it's all hope and not loss, Sha.
What hope? What hope?
What hope? King Obaka is not dead. King Obaka is only missing, and he will come back.
For over 1 year. Over 1 good year.
Look at my pit, eh? There's no hair. No hair in my armpits. I beg in the name of God. Better keep your mouth shut. Let's go.
Okay, don't do it. Tomorrow, please, you have more.
Sorry.
Speak.
Lifeless, just like our previous visit.
Not even Nana?
Yes, my prince.
The sun is almost setting. Where could they be?
I wish I have the answers you seek. I'm sorry, my prince.
Have this. Place it at the entrance. She'll understand what it means when she sees it.
Mama. Hey, do you know why you're watching? Chimo.
Now tell me, what relationship have you with Letishi Okechukwu's family that made you to challenge me the other day, even in presence of his sick wife?
Do you really want to know? Do you really want to know, Papa?
Which of them is confusing? My question or my language? Now, tell me, what is your business with that family?
Papa, what happened to the love you had for Ishokeshku when he was alive? What happened to that love?
Look, stop telling me nonsense. You cannot deceive me. I married your mother
and they openly give back to you. What nonsense are you trying to tell me?
You failed your friend, Papa. You disappointed me, your daughter. You failed his family.
Are you mad? Even if you are mad, I am going to cure you. I should be giving people my medicine. Do you know how much that medicine costs? How expensive it is?
Papa, nothing is too expensive for a friend. He was your bosom friend, Papa. Your generosity should at least linger to his family.
Hey, Afolamaru, look, if I hear film from you again, I am going to cut off your neck. Now, go inside.
No, go. Let me alone.
Hey, say, wait for me. I am coming. What? I should be giving people my medicine. Free of charge, you.
Where did you get this from? That means the prince was here.
Hey! Stop there! Where are you going? Stop! What have we done?
Let me help you. Ah! How strong you are. Yeah. What a good God. It's okay. I have somebody who will do all that. Yes. Thank you very much.
No worries. I should take my leave now.
But don't be in a hurry to go. Let me see. You can have this. It is good for the system.
Thank you, Nai.
Especially the organ.
Thank you, Nai.
Thank you. Bye-bye. You're good. What a very strong God. Okay. Amoma!
Yes, Papa.
Come and see your father. Come and welcome your dad.
Welcome, Papa.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Papa, I didn't notice your entrance into the compound.
Yeah, you don't know what.
Oh, don't tell me you crept in like a thief in your own compound, Papa.
Hey! Are you saying that the whole spokesman of Amokwe will creep into his compound like a thief in the night? No. I came with a guard.
A guard?
Yes.
Where is he?
He's just gone.
Okay.
Yeah, he left before you came.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. Let's get these things inside.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
Easy. Hey, it's good to be home. Good to be home. Let's do this once and for all. Turn over there. Very heavy. Heavy, so it can last long. The house can have something to do for a long time. Amama! Amama!
Yes, Papa.
Come. Go and cook this tuber.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm hungry. You saw when I returned. What is it?
Papa, it's a shame that after these years, you still desire little.
What you saw in that pan was what I got from the things gathered from market women. It is gradually by gradually.
It's like a man surrounded by oceans and lakes, yet finds pleasure swimming in a bucket of water.
Amama, I appreciate your wisdom, but understand it that your father is hungry. So go and cook it.
I know, I understand how difficult it is. But that's our only hope of getting money to save Mama now. Haven't I begged you enough? Let's sell the boat, Kwan. My friend, shut up! What is wrong with you? Do you know that boat is actually mine? It is mine as much as it is yours. My palm kernel was the largest amount. You picked just a few and you're coming here to say the boat is yours. The boat belongs to me, so we're going to sell it. Mami Henemegi, we're going to sell it. Oh, you're shouting at me, okay?
Who is that person? Who are you? Come here. Come here quickly. Will you come here? What did you see?
What you know? I didn't see anything.
You are not from this land. Who are you? For the last time. Now, who are you?
My name is Norma. I'm from Abani.
Abani? Abani is a distant land from here. Only the brave men and the traitors with hidden intention can cross over another land unannounced. Woman, what is your mission in my land?
Sir, I'm just a young girl. I'm just a young girl. My mission here is very harmless. I'm not a warrior, neither am I a traitor. I just came here to pick palm fruits, nothing else.
How can I believe you when your arm speaks opposite what you claim? Now, show me your armband of peace, which can prove and make me believe that you are an honorable woman.
It's here, sir. It's here.
Oh. Now I believe you are a noble woman. Go ahead, fill your baskets with as many goodies as possible in my land. If any man confronts you, say to him, you have the permission of the king.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I heard you. Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's okay. I won't sell the boat again.
I know a nobleman there who says I can visit at any time. So we'll go there and pick palm fruit so we can sell. And whatever we realize, we'll help Mama with it. Oh? Okay.
What are you doing?
Papa, these goats, they've not eaten their food since that day.
I said it. I don't know what to do with all these goats.
I told you let's sell this goat, Papa. Let's sell this goat.
Your suggestion is good. We are going to sell all this goat to even replace you then. Come.
Sure of what you saw? Yes. Because the whole place is lifeless.
Yes, I'm sure I saw. Let's go.
Something is certainly not right about this land. Hey, it was different the last time we came. Now there are weeping voices, dangerous looking men everywhere. Chai, God please watch over my brother. Shield him from these men. Hey.
You know how many I counted? 115. Eh? Hey. You know, after harvesting, you get the same number of tubers of yam. People will begin to call you Yam Patron. Naji. Eh? What an amazing figure. This is gold.
You never cease to amaze me, Uncle Dikeh. You never cease to amaze me. Uncle, it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for you.
Okay.
My history will remain incomplete without mentioning you.
Oh, it's good to hear that. Do you know, each time I look at you, I not only see the figure of a giant, but I see a hope and liberation of our people, Umosu.
Yes.
Our people, Umosu, their rights over the decades have been trampled upon. Many things have been taken away from us by those who are even preaching love. They are preaching love, but trampling on our rights. For example, look at my brother. He died and was buried without a chieftaincy title. Can you imagine that? And I tell you, this is the time to reshape things so that we can be in the front burner.
Yes, this is the time. This is the time.
Akabanono. Unshapuanike. Akabanono. Unshapuanike.
Thank you so much, my daughter. God bless you. Save your speech, Mama. Just get well. That's all you do for me. I will, my daughter. Please.
Ndo-o?
Ebube, I've been alone since morning. Sun is almost settling. No sign of Nana and Norma. Where could they be? Just tell me.
Mama, I wish I have answers to what you seek for. Mama, I think I know where to find them. Prince is here.
Good morning, how are you? Good morning, Mama.
Welcome, my prince.
Oh my God. What happened to your leg? What's wrong? Why are you crying? What happened to Mama's leg?
You didn't know?
No, I didn't know.
Mama was bitten by a snake on her way back from the farm last week.
My God. Just last week?
Yes.
She didn't tell me. Even when I asked about my mother, she didn't tell me.
My prince, maybe she doesn't want to bother you with our problem.
Bother me when I've made my intentions known.
My prince, have you found them?
No.
At all? At all.
It's alright, easy. Do you know where she could be?
I'm not sure, my prince, but I think they could be at the church site. I'll check for them on my way to school right now, and I'll let her know you're here.
Please do.
That's if I find her. Mama?
My dear.
Let me run around.
Okay. Holy Spirit, we see you through my daughter. Please try and get my daughter, my son. Biko. Thank you. Ebube, try, please.
It's alright, Mama. Everything will be fine.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
If I had known that Africa had the mantle of authority, all the while we were looking for Igwe Baka, Dikeh, the son of Amanto, would have silenced him. Huh? But thank God it happened the way you desired it.
The mantle has come to stay in Umosu.
Yes!
It has come to stay in Umosu until my last breath. It shall never depart our family.
Good.
It will not depart this family.
That's the language of the brave. It runs in our family. Haka banono usiapuanike.
My lord! My lord! My lord! My lord! My lord!
What is it?
My lord! My lord! My lord! My lord! Trouble in the land! Trouble!
Take it easy. What trouble? What trouble?
A thief from one of the neighboring villages sneaked across our border. As I speak, he is getting our farm produce.
And you let him live? You let him live?
Who am I to take decisions on my own? He is under the watchful eyes of Ukbana as we speak.
Where is this happening?
Your palm fruit at Mbiaka Valley.
My palm fruit? Yes. Akabanono Unshabanike. Let us move. Kuntus!
Yes, my lord!
Come! In a hurry! Akabanono!
Ensure my home is safe, including my woman.
Any unwanted guest, kill.
Thanks for the privilege, my lord!
Stop there! Stop it! Stop there, brother!
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Look at my precious palm fruits!
How many of you are in my land?
Look at this young man! Do you think we're joking?
Speak! You son of impunity!
Speak!
Okay, for how long have you been doing this?
For how long?
Speak. You know what? I'm going to use him as slave. No. No. You must speak, or else I'm going to have you talk. Speak. My goodness, what kind of trick is this? Deceive I, Aziza, the bravest in the land of Amoku. How dare you?
Answer me! Someone to it! Upana! Get him! Bring him back! Akabanonu! Nsaponike! Akabanonu! Nsaponike!
Nana. 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 Nana.
Whose daughter are you?
Your Highness, I swear by the gods, she is not from this village and I've not seen her before.
No, not without knowing where she comes from. Her background, every detail about her, because she could be a spy.
Who am I?
Answer the question now before we go on, Ishi.
I'm going to give you one more grace to stay alive.
Who am I?
Why? I think she's mentally imbalanced.
It's not in order, eh?
I think so.
You're not mentally sound, eh? I see. I'm gonna give you one more grace to stay alive. If not.
He is the strongest in the land. He rules with a mighty hand. He is feared by everyone. His eyes, his power, his God. Aziza.
Hope is fine. Yes. Can I have this? With this? Yeah. Come to the house.
Check out my gold-plated box.
Give it.
You ask me out.
Hey! What is all this about? Mama. She has not said anything, no. I just saw her with the box.
Mama.
Where did you get that box from?
Mama, open now. Open inside.
Ujunwa,
eh?
Who in the God's name gave you all this? Talk now! Or did you by any magical means made it to the famous palace of Igwe Babando of Anyanwu Kingdom and steal the wife's jewelry?
God forbid. Mama, I can never steal anybody's
because
jewelry.
that is the only place you can get such an expensive jewelry from.
Okay. I'll tell you. Wait. I was at Amokwe till sun fade. After you and Odinaka left, a maid and a guard came and they summoned me to the palace of the unwished king.
Aziza! Hey!
Mama, calm down now.
Hey, Chalopao. Ujunwa.
Mama.
Are you saying that all these items came from that cursed palace?
Mama, let me explain. After all, I worked for it.
What? What? You mean you lay with him to give you all this treasure in return? God forbid. Then tell us how you worked for it because I'm confused.
Mama, I'm confused myself. Fine. Initially when I got to the palace, I thought one of you were in trouble. Only for me to get there and find out that it was Ogadi that sent for me.
Ogadi?
Yes, Ogadi. Dike's daughter.
How is she?
She's fine. Mama, are they back?
No, I am here to see my children. Not everyone returned. You assured me they will come back, so also the prince. What happened, Bubediko? I'm still waiting, I'm waiting my children to come back home. Oh, Chineke,
Mama, you know I will not leave here till you finish eating your food.
My child, you don't understand. What I left to a mother hen without her chicks. Tell me, how can I eat without my children? I can't eat until they come back. I can't.
But Mama, you need to eat to stay strong. I haven't lost hope. Mama and Nana will return. Bikon, eat your food.
Hey, leave me up on the back. Leave me this home. I can't even see my children.
I shall ride round the village and search for them, since it's your wish before you eat the food.
Yes.
I will not return till I find them.
Yes, I wish you find my children. I wish you find them.
Please take care of her.
I wish Ebupe, find my children.
Do you know that girl? You even think she's happy. She's not happy. I could see sorrows behind her smile.
How do you mean?
But you know she's not happy now. In that marriage, would you believe that that man employed female maid to be moving around with her?
Ha! That is not marriage. I wonder what Aziza says in the meetings of our client. That almost soon ladies lack. Eh? How long will our gods remain silent?
So she gave you all this just for making her hair?
Yes, Mama. Initially, she said I should take it, but I said no. But she said I should take it. She insisted, and so I took it.
Obianuju, this is too much for a gift. She equally did not say why she's letting you have all this.
Actually, she took it in place of something less valuable.
What was that?
My hair clips.
Just hair clip?
Mm-hmm.
Uju, something is certainly not right about the whole story.
Let me take this one. Hey, what do you want from my family? What are you waiting for? Caesar!
She's the one, my lord. She was the only guest the queen had today. She also weaved her hair and gave her this weapon.
Hey! Young maiden, what are you talking about? What is all this?
Mama, I don't know! I'm innocent! I did not kill her! I'm innocent! I swear to God, I'm innocent! Mama, I'm innocent! Oh, I'm innocent! Mama, I'm innocent! I'm innocent!
Igwe!
Who murdered my wife?
She killed herself, my lord.
What's my own now? Then, what is my daughter's crime? Why are we here?
She masterminded the queen's death.
Me? Hey! Uncle, I swear to God! I swear! I did not kill her! I only gave her my head clips in the place of the treasure box. Please help me! I did not kill her!
Oh, please! Don't think you can entertain us with this your sweet mouth. Just confess your sins.
Hey! I'm innocent!
Silence!
I hereby banish you out of this kingdom. Never set your feet in this kingdom again.
Hey!
Get out!
He is the strongest in the land. He rules with a mighty hand. He is feared by everyone. His eyes, his power, his God.
Aziza. Mama? It's me, Prince Anichebe.
Where have you found him?
She's serious. I mean,
Hey, my prince, you told me to be patient. You told me to be patient that my children will come back home. You can see waiting, I'm waiting. Hey, Chibu, wanene. I'm waiting.
it's okay, they will come back.
Oh, God.
Who is that mannerless pig banging at my gate? Who is that person?
I can't say exactly, but from the voice I'm hearing, it seems to be a woman.
A woman? Let me see.
Nana.
Papa, she's that strange girl at the river. Why is she here, Papa?
You didn't mention it though. You did not tell me that noblemen utter deceitful words like every other human being. You didn't even mention that they make lofty promises. Yet you say you are my friend.
God forbid. I'm not your friend.
What king is she referring to?
I don't know, Papa.
I thought he was a noble king. Noblemen don't lie. King David was a noble king. Solomon, noble king. Noble men. Yes.
Papa, she's insane.
Go and get me the key. Get the key of the gate. Let me go and teach her that here is not rehabilitation home. Bring the key.
My prince, how do you intend to achieve that? Knowing the decision that led to the punishment of the mother queen was reached by the entire community and the others at large.
Agunta.
Yes, my prince.
Before everyone, I will stand as a man and challenge their decision. Because their decision is pointless.
How do you mean pointless? None of the palace servants was able to say the king's whereabouts because the queen mother relieved us from our duties. The promise she made to the king on the eve of her birthday.
She meant no harm uniting you with your families after a whole year. She could have made another choice, but instead, she considered the feelings of her staffs. She meant well.
I share your point, my prince. And till now I still don't believe that the queen mother will plan evil against the king. But the majority see the opposite.
Maybe because of the belief of the...
that Okemba women are all murderers? Let me ask you a question, Agunta. Tell me, why will she harm the king? The man she spent all her life with? All along I've maintained silence, believing faith will bring back the king. Agunta, I've given up on faith. I've given up on faith.
What do you intend doing now that the land is no more the same? Aziza has the sacred tusk. Only him can reverse decisions. I doubt you want to see the queen back in the land.
My prince. My prince.
Agunta, I shall meet with him.
My prince.
The zebra has come to meet the lion. Former Prince of Amokwe, what is your mission here? But before you set your mission, let the young man behind you leave this compound.
Agunta, leave us, please.
Quickly. Quickly.
Can you ask your daughter to leave us also?
I'll leave her.
My daughter is going nowhere. Let me hear your mission.
I want the banishment of my mother abolished.
Huh?
Yes.
Her disappearance made me realize just how much love I feel for her. I'm sorry, Father. I was going to let you know.
If I heard you correctly, you've already confessed your intentions to her mother.
Yes. I'm sorry, Father.
Didi, I needed a son, but certainly not one without brains. Did you hear your son? Confessing love to a girl whose father died without a chieftaincy title?
Your Highness,
did you hear him?
Your Highness, he did not consult me.
Who accompanied you?
Gozie.
Then nothing happened. No one witnessed it. There was no proposal.
Someone else knew, Father.
Who?
Adindo's daughter.
Your Highness, please. Please, I'll send for Adindo's daughter and talk to her privately. Please.
Ndidi, now I know the exact name for your son. A philanderer.
Your Highness.
And I still stand by my word. There was no proposal.
Apologize to your father at once.
I'm sorry, Mother. It's too late already. Excuse me, Father. Excuse me.
Wait. Where is your ambit?
Have this. Place it at the entrance. She'll understand what it means when she sees it.
You sold the symbol of your true self to a commoner in the name of love? Didi, what kind of son have you given to me?
Alechebe, why? Your father and I trained you with strong morals. Strong enough to shield you from every hypnotic spell that any woman may cast on you. What has come over you? What happened to those morals?
Mother, nothing happened to those morals. They are still inside me. And I am still Anichebe, your dear son. I have done nothing wrong, Father. The only thing I have done is to fall in love with a lady whose father died without the chieftaincy title. But if you say that is a crime, Father, then I am deeply, deeply sorry. Father, you taught me well. You taught me to follow my heart, and I hold your words dearly. Father, I love that woman. From the deepest part of my heart, I love that lady. I love her with my life, my word, my everything. And she is the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. Excuse me.
Please, I beg of you. Please, forgive him. Flog him properly. Treacherous guard like you. Flog him, I said 20 strokes.
Father, please. He was only obeying my instructions. If anyone should be punished, it should be me, not him.
Your Highness, please. You have to stop all this.
Listen, Achilonu. Take your son and get out of my palace. I don't want to ever see him near here again.
Thank you very much. Hey!
Treacherous guard.
Hey! Hey! Thank you. Hey! Please, oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, sorry. Hey!
My prince, until your father is seen, either dead or alive, Aziza will forever be seen as a true king by the entire land. But trading the crown for the queen is giving up on the king.
In essence, what you're saying is that my mother should remain in exile? I'm talking about bringing her back. Akota, the woman that gave birth to me is still in exile for 12 months. Can't you understand it?
My prince, I maintain my stand.
Akota, that's my decision. Akota, it's my decision. And it's final.
Giving Aziza the...
Shut up!
Mama, you can't continue like this. Uju is not dead. Fine, we're going to meet her as a family. You're just hurting yourself.
Odinaka, till when will the separation be? Until when will your sister continue living in Mbise? A land where she is just but a stranger. When?
I know.
How many do I have?
I know.
One Kamji.
Mama.
One. Hey!
Okay, let's go inside, okay? Let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside. Don't worry, she will be fine.
I'll stay for a while.
Mama, I have to go. I must go now. It's already 3. Do not forget the sacred talks was raised at the episode of my banishment. Besides, if people get to know you're harboring me here, we'll all lose our lives.
Nobody will find out. We are your family.
Yes.
Your secret is safe with us.
I know, Mama, but the walls have ears. You never can tell. Anything can happen. Odinaka, it's okay. See. Please, you have to take on Mama, please. It's okay.
Mama, let her go. We'll be fine. Would you mind?
If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. Osuna chizi obodanyo, omenana banye mebiwo, onyo bonojo, onyo bonoso. If he came in, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. Osuna chizi obodanyo, omenana banye mebiwo, onyo bonojo, onyo bonoso. If he came in, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. Osuna chizi obodanyo, omenana banye mebiwo, onyo bonojo, onyo bonoso. If he came in, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. If he came in, obodo, he go man, obodo. Osuna chizi obodanyo, omenana banye mebiwo, onyo bonojo, onyo bonoso. If he came in, obodo.
My prince, she's a Juma. Let Anika's daughter. A banished victim just like the queen.
Okay, Oji.
She saw the queen.
You saw my mother?
Yes, my prince.
How is she?
My prince, I'm afraid she's not fine. I saw her working at the farmland at Ukemba.
My mother working at the farmland?
Yes, my prince. I would have brought words from her to you, but I was afraid she wouldn't let me come. My prince, a word from you to her would be a great relief.
No, I must go with you.
No, my prince,
you don't have to go
my prince, please.
It's very dangerous, please, don't have to go there.
Dangerous. I will not forgive myself if I let you go.
They will kill you, please.
My prince, those people could banish you, if not kill you.
My prince, please, please don't. Please.
No!
My prince,
please don't go.
Don't go, please, my prince.
Don't go. They will kill you.
My mother, please. No.
Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! Nama! 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 Nana! Nama! 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 Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! 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 Nama! Hey! Nama! 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 Nana! Hey! Nama! Nama! Nana! 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 Nama! Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nama! Nana! Nana! Nana, I problem. Nana, stop this thing, Nana! Nama! Oh, Nama! Nana! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama! Nana! Nama!
And what's the meaning of that? Hey. Carrying a gun doesn't make you a group leader. We have orders from the king. Yes! Go behind this river and the search ends here. Yes! And not when the left side of the river is still uncovered.
Yes!
Yes! Azuka's children are not even in the land. Yes! And their boat is not here.
Exactly!
Mother! The search ends here.
Yes!
We are moving over to the other side and continue the search. And the search continues now.
Yes! We must continue the search!
Bam!
Let's go!
Let's move!
Let's move! Whoa! Savior! Daddy, kill me, oh, Daddy, kill me! Daddy, kill me, kill me! Kill me, Daddy! Kill me, Daddy! Daddy, take me, oh! Take me,
it's okay, get up. It's okay.
Lola! I am finished! Lola, I am finished! Look at my son! Look at my son lying down here! Lola, look at my son! My son cannot even talk to me, he can't answer me. He cannot even talk to me. He can't speak to me. Hey!
Nana. Nana. Nana, show your face now. Hey. Nana, show your face, Kwano. Eh?
Hear me speak, Father. Segregation is not the quality of a true leader.
So are you saying that your father is insincere in his leadership?
Mother, Azoka's son was murdered. He was brutally butchered with an axe. Laying him to rest is not enough. I'm saying that more should be done. His sister is still missing. Father, the community linking the village river should be summoned. Investigation should be thoroughly carried out.
Oh my goodness, so it's all about Azoka's children. Your father made efforts.
Oh please. The only effort my father made was to find the bead.
Those were your own words, not mine.
With due respect, Father, I overheard you talking to the head guard.
So?
You ordered him to find the bead at all costs. They got lucky. Good night, Father.
If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. Also, not his own Budania, oh, Melana, Banya, maybe, on your bonoja, on your bonosa. If he came in, nobody. If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. Also, not his own Budania, oh, Melana, Banya, maybe, on your bonoja, on your bonosa. If he came in, nobody. If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. If he came in, nobody, go, man, nobody. Also, not his own Budania.
Your Highness, I found the prince missing in his chambers.
What? Guards! Guards!
Aziza. Aziza.
No. For how long will you grieve, Your Highness? No, it's time to forget this. To put this in the past.
Please sit, Edeka.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Back in the past, you lost your wife, and it wasn't a good feeling.
You are correct. But Ukamaka, my wife, died a natural death. Not like in the case of Ogade.
Anyway, I've brought you good news to relieve your pain.
Good news?
Good news. Speak. I was able to convince Obele.
Obele?
Obele, the messenger of the last Dibia that was banished by the missing king.
Obele the dwarf.
Obele the dwarf. Tell me more. Life has taught him a lot. Obele has transformed into a big medicine man. In fact, one of the best where he's staying now. It's interesting to know that he's not forgotten his origin. Yes.
Obele is from Ami Etiti. And how are you sure he's not going to turn against us?
Very good question, but I'll give you the answer. If you cancel that banishment of Obele, bring him back to our land, he will forever be grateful to you. Loyal, subservient, submissive, will serve you in many dimensions. Yes. Simple as that.
I see.
How long will she keep kneeling like this?
She's coming in with a sun spirit.
Is this how you people live here? No king, no leader, just a couple of bald heads hanging around.
With the sun god to guide to protect us by day and the moon spirit by night, we have no need for mortals to be called king.
Greetings.
You are welcome, my child.
Thank you.
He's a stranger on a noble mission. The sun spirit led him onto my path.
May the sun spirit be praised. I prepared food for 3. Take him inside and give him something to eat.
Excuse me. You knew I was coming?
The goddess of the sun and the spirits of the moon knew it all. You're welcome to Mbiaka's village.
Thank you.
Make sure you eat very well. The journey ahead is tasking.
My elders, I no longer belong to them. This is where I belong. I, Obele, have come here to stay and to protect this land. Just count on me. I will be here for you.
We count on you, Obele. We count on you.
Obele! There's a way I normally celebrate an acceptance like this. I am Aziza!
Not in doubt.
The greatest and the strongest in the land of Amokwe.
Never in doubt.
Did you?
No.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Then the search continues tomorrow. Leave us.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Honey, you are so harsh on our son.
Is that what you have to say?
It's the duty of the old to help the young find love. And Ichebe has never been this disrespectful in his life. You and I know very well that love is such a strong tool that even the mightiest of warriors falls when it beckons. You should have been mild on him.
Woman, the sun ushers in light, not darkness. I tell you, his disappearance does not bother me at all. Okay?
Your Highness!
What are you doing? Are you alright? Where are you?
Please, be merciful. Be merciful upon my guest. He's just a stranger on a noble mission. Please. Please.
Who is this guy? Why are you kneeling for a child?
Don't say that. He is not a child. He is the favored one. The oldest in the land. If not for my sake, you would have been dead by now.
Excuse me?
You must got my family into trouble. Anyway, I can go beyond this point. The next village is not far from here. May the god of the morning sun guide you.
Oh, wait. Hold on. What is the next village called?
Amokwe.
Okay, just before you go, let me see. Please accept this, a parting gift from me.
You will need it more. The next village might not be as friendly as Mbiaka. Have this. May the god of the morning sun guide you.
Alright, thank you. This little boy, baby.
You mean you don't have any information about the whereabouts of the prince?
My lord, no, I don't. But it baffles me why the prince should live in such manner. Honestly, I don't know.
It's okay. It changes. You know, when a young man begins to reason like his father, you know, the idea of becoming a man begins to change so many things in him. I know that it is change. We are both grieving right now, but I know it's going to be alright. It's okay.
know you are fully aware of the transaction that transpired between my son and Azuka's daughter. And as such, please, I cannot help but wonder if you know of my son's whereabouts.
My king, I swear to the gods of our land, I don't know. I don't know, Your Highness.
My daughter, please, be honest with us. Tell us if you know our son's whereabouts, please.
Hey, my queen. I wish I knew. I don't know.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Take her away! Yes, Your Highness.
My king.
Out! Out!
I don't know, my king.
Out! Out!
I don't know, my
Out!
king.
Nana.
Mother, of what use is the crown when the mantle of leadership is lying on another man's arm?
My son, that is giving up on your father.
No, Mother. Mother, this is the 12th month my father disappeared. Yet no sign of his return.
There's no proof to believe he's dead. Even in my banishment, I was fine. Hoping I prayed to the gods that one day he will return.
No, Mother, you were not fine.
My son.
You were not fine, Mother.
My son, I was okay. I was okay.
Mother, you were fine by reducing yourself to a common laborer in a one man's farm. Mother, is that what you call fun?
My queen, I have to go.
No, you won't.
I've made up my mind. I have to leave.
Abunda.
My prince.
Are you leaving me?
I don't have a choice. I have to leave.
Abunda! Abunda!
Don't move an inch.
Who are you? I come in peace.
Shut up and move! Move it! Move now! Move! This way! This way! This way!
Aziza. 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 Who are you? Who are you? My name is Solomon, a stranger from the west.
Solomon? Are you the rich king a strange girl talked about?
No. I'm an ordinary man. I was traveling south when I was attacked by a heavy storm and I lost my boat. Luckily I survived.
Why are you in my land?
To plead with His Majesty to provide me a boat so I can continue my journey.
In exchange for what? For gold?
No, I don't have. But I have strength. Yes, I can work for you.
You have strength. He seems to be saying the truth.
There is only one way to find out.
Amumo. Ogini mere yi na julu oyi. Ogini mere na julu oyi. Ebe umu nwanyi gbara m saka. Bi ni eti iru ọrụ gị. Hey! Obele! Mbaro, you have never disappointed. Bi ni! Amudike! The only great oracle enweru. Ngbanu. Oge rugo. Gwa anyị ebe o si bịa. Where is he from? Show me. Ibari megide anyị ka ibari nọnyere anyị ngwagwa anyị. I think he's saying the truth.
Aka banono. Nike. Follow me.
Aziza. Aziza.
No! Mother, please go back. I told you to go back. Stay in the house. I'll be fine. I love you. Okay? I'll be fine.
Move! Go back! Go! Move it!
My daughter, who are you? Who are your parents?
He was my only brother. My friend. He was dumb. But me and my mommy, we loved him just like that. Did you see him? Did you see Nana?
Nana.
My brother. You didn't see him? He was harmless. He called himself a noble king, but he is a liar. He was a liar. He's a liar. A deceiver. On your jaw.
He called himself a noble king. He's a liar.
Yes.
My daughter, please, who are you talking about?
The king. The king.
What's the name of this king you are talking about,
the
please?
The king now. The king. The king now.
My daughter, please. Please
the
come.
King.
What is the name of the king you are talking about?
The king.
Hey, the king, he was a deceiver, a noble king.
Your Highness, this maiden has something to say.
Speak, maiden.
My lord, on my way coming back from the farm, I overheard Amaka, Ichiebere Dike's daughter, discussing with her mother.
It can't be possible. The first time I set my eyes on that girl, the impression I had of her was of somebody who was possessed. She's the kind of Obanje you can find in Igweke's lake. Yes, cannot be possible.
Leave.
Move.
Aziza.